Good morning. The unique aspect of this study was that the researchers monitored. Come on! The researchers monitored the players' oxytocin levels by taking blood samples after they made their decisions. They found that when a player's partner played in a manner that indicated trust, the player's brain responded to that show of trust by releasing oxytocin. In another study, in which subjects played an investment game, investors who inhaled an oxytocin nose spray were made much more likely to show trust in their partners by investing more money with them. And when asked to categorize faces based on their expression, volunteers who were given oxytocin rated strangers as appearing more trustworthy and attractive than did other subjects not administered the drug. Not surprisingly, oxytocin sprays are now available over the internet, though they are not very effective unless the oxytocin is sprayed directly into the target person's nostril. That's crazy. One of the most striking pieces of evidence of our automatic animal nature can be seen in a gene that governs respiration receptors in human brains. Scientists discovered that men who have two copies of a certain form of this gene have fewer vasopressin receptors, which makes them analogous to promiscuous vows. And indeed, they exhibit the same sort of behavior. Men with fewer vasopressin receptors are twice as likely to have experienced marital problems and the threat of divorce, and half as likely to be married as men who have more vasopressin receptors. So although we are much more complex in our behaviors than sheep and wolves, people too are hardwired to certain unconscious social behaviors, a remnant of our animal past. Cool. This made me wonder what kind of chemicals would they be able to produce and just fabricate and use them to manipulate people in large quantity. That's gonna be so scary. Thank you for reading with me.